this is Avis. Welcome back to Avis Mathematics channel. In secondary school, I believe your school teacher taught you the expansion of algebra. For example, A times with B plus C. You will get AB plus AC as your answer. But have you ever wondering, how can you get this answer? In this video, I'm going to review the reason behind the expansion of algebra. Alright? Without any further delay, come, let's look at the following steps. Alright, for those who have learned algebra in school, your school teacher taught you this. Hey students, if we do A multiplied by B plus C, okay, so how do we perform this? It's very easy. So we take A times B, which is AB, and then we draw another curve. So plus, so here will be plus also, then A times C will give you AC, right? This is what we learned during school time. But what is the reason behind this? Okay, actually we can explain this expansion. Okay, so let's assume we draw a rectangle here. Okay, and this rectangle, we split this into two parts. Okay, and I denote this part is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so my question is, if I ask you to find the area of rectangle, how do you find this? So as we know, area of rectangle is length times width, right? So in this case is A times with B plus C, right? Is this the only way to find the area of rectangle? It's not, right? So we have the second way, which is we can add this area A and B together, isn't it? So to find this area A, we can take length times width again, so which is AB. Okay, then we need to add it up, so it's plus. Okay, now area of B, we can find it by using the area also. So we can take here C times A, right? Length times width, C times A will give it AC. Wow, so it's interestingly, do you notice that A bracket B plus C is actually equals to AB plus AC, which is the same as what your school teacher taught you. Alright? Next one, if let's say this one, so your teacher would teach you this one, A plus B times with C plus D. So again, your school teacher will say, hey students, we need to do this way. A times C is AC, and then A times D is AD. Here is plus, so we must write it plus. Okay, and at the bottom here, plus B times C will give you plus BC, and the last one, plus B times D is plus BD. Okay, so this one is the way of your school teacher taught you. Okay, now I can explain this by using the diagram. So again, we draw a rectangle. Okay, but now we split the rectangle into four parts. Okay, and I denote this one as A, B, C, and D. So again, to find the area of rectangle, so we can take length times width, right? In this case is A plus B times with C plus D, isn't it? Okay, so this is the first way of finding. The second way of finding this area of rectangle is we add up all these four parts, right? So let's say I put this as A, B, C, and D. Okay, to find the area of A, we can take length times width, right? Length times width. Our length is C, width is A. So A times C will be AC. Okay, plus, then the area of B, so here is D, then and then the width is A, right? So the area of B will be AD. Next, area of C is B times C, isn't it? So it's BC. And the last one is D times B, which is BD. Okay, surprisingly. So if we expand this one, we will get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD, which is the same as what your school teacher taught you last time. Alright? Alright, so I believe now everyone can understand the reason behind the expansion of algebra. Am I right? Well, what I'm trying to say here is, for every single of mathematical concepts or formula, it is not a compulsory for us to memorize all this blindly. In fact, all this can be explained clearly and transparently. That's all for our video today. If you like our video, like it, share it among your friends, and most importantly is subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I will see you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.